Emma, good morning, one and all. Welcome to Tejas classes for CA and CMA. Sir, small announcement regarding. So, yesterday only we changed our name into RT classes into Tejas CMA and CA classes itself. So now onwards, who want to subscribe and all these things, please search in YouTube point of view. Tejas classes CMA and CA Guru itself. Because of some technical reasons and certain things, we wanted to change our name. And now onwards, and you are seeing this is the way you can see the particular things, even the concern part. Yeah, Nana. And this is our logo. Sorry. Yeah, this is our logo, regarding. So Tejas CMA and CA classes point of view, and when it comes to YouTube channel point of view, Tejas classes CA and CMA Guru itself. So that is the concern thing I want to share with you, starting with. And the intention of doing this particular video, first inform to my concerned students, they don't want to confuse searching the name point of view. And the second thing is, today why I am doing the particular video means, so many days onwards so many students requested me regarding, especially thank you to all the concerned students. We got such a huge response towards our cost accounting regarding exemption questions point of view, CMA Inter students. So tremendous response, it's creating a lot of confidence, and we are able to create so many these kind of videos in future as well as. So the intention of running this particular YouTube channel also majorly to serve the CMA community more. Sir, it doesn't mean that we are not serving CA community. CA community point of view also we are focusing much, but CMA especially in related to certain areas. So Telangana and Andhra people are suffering a lot. For them to give more benefits, we wanted to come forward and we established this particular channel. So my concern part is in related to this is to give the best to the student. Whether you are a CMA student or CA student, that is a different story. At the end of the day, who are watching my videos, who subscribed our channel, and who are listening my classes, at the end of the day the particular student need to be benefited. That is the motive, sir, nothing else. So, and straight away moving to the concern point, so because I don't want to waste much time, because students are so much waiting for management accounting exemption related questions and all these things. So once again, thank you for all the concerned students who make a blockbuster of our CMA Inter cost accounting exemption questions point of view. I am expecting more response than the cost accounting towards management accounting itself. Let's come back to the particular session, and see, sir. Sir, definitely when compared to cost accounting, management accounting is tricky subject. There is no doubt about it. Especially certain areas like marginal costing and budgetary control problems. If you check with the past examination questions, they are doing very much tough level in related to these two areas. Especially standard costing, if they are going with the two questions, I will tell you at the end also, 2A question is what, 2B question is what, 2 and 3A and 3B, 4A, 4B and 5A, 5B, 7A, 7B, like that. Which of the questions you need to concentrate, that area also I will tell you. So the intention towards this, I am not saying that only read these questions only, but if you cover these questions, for sure, sir, based on my concerned experience in the teaching field, I am communicating to the students who are watching this video, compulsory your fear about management accounting converted into, yes, I can secure exemption in management accounting also. That level of confidence it may be create. At the end of the concern video, please watch the concern video. and please like the video. Please share the concern video to all your need friends also, because even for the past video also we received so many likes and all these things. I'm expecting the same encouragement from your side as well as. So I concluded, even I filtered so much, still you need to run with 110 questions. So you don't have any other option regarding management accounting if you want to get exemption. Sir, this 110 questions inclusive of theory questions as well as, and even past year examination questions also, which one you need to refer, I combined all the things. And who required, because recently only I conducted a marathon regarding management accounting in ICMA Bhavan also. Who wants that particular PDF as well as this particular PDF, please ping me to the concern number what is displaying here. So please ping to that particular number, you will get both the files to you. And the management accounting marathon, whatever the PDF I used, that is inclusive of your past examination questions, and I solved some difficult questions with my handwritten notes. I solved all the concerned questions also. It will help you a lot, I think so. So who want exemption in management accounting, please don't skip this particular video, watch till the end, then you can feel the difference. Why I said to concentrate on these topics, you come to know. Got it, sir? Let's come to our first chapter, Introduction to Management Accounting. Sir, if you understand our module 1 and our module 8 itself, in related to that, so we are getting so much questions, module 1 and module 9, Nana. Introduction to Management Accounting and Responsibility Account. My sincere advice to the students, please read the theory carefully. That is the savior. Especially responsibility accounting, if you read 4 or 5 questions, more than enough theory, you are getting 7 marks very comfortably. What are the theory questions also I will tell you. And I added 2 illustrations first time under responsibility accounting, because I am expecting if they want to go with a little different question paper than the previous examination, because so many students are concentrating only on responsibility accounting theory. That's the reason I selected 2 nice questions from our study material. Please practice those 2 questions also, responsibility accounting point of view. I given the details and everything. So my first sincere advice to who want to get exemption in management accounting, first read 2 modules, module number 1 and module number 9. Module number 1 is regarding Introduction to Management Accounting. Module number 9 is regarding responsibility account. 14 marks, at least you can expect 10 marks from these 2 questions. Comfortably you can score 10 marks in related to these 2 modules. So whenever you are reading management accounting, first do these 2 chapters, then go for any rest of the chapters itself. Got it, sir? What are the questions you need to concentrate under Introduction to Management Accounting? Scope of management accounting, functions of management accounting, advantages and limitations of management accounting, cost accounting versus management accounting, financial accounting versus management accounting, functions of management accountant, not management accounting, and key elements of strategic management accounting. Sir, 7 marks doing 7 questions is not a big task, sir. Like certain chapters like marginal costing, if I am not wrong, I took around 27 questions I took from marginal costing point of view. By doing 27 questions, you can expect 28 marks in the examination point of view from marginal costing. Doing 7 theory questions and getting 7 marks is very comfortable. So pick up these 7 questions, first finish them, then 5 marks is in your pocket. I am not saying that full out of full also. How to pass, who are having fear also, for you also this video will help you a lot. How to secure marks, how to pass yourself, which questions you need to concentrate, everything in detail I am explaining in this particular video. Yeah. So these 7 questions first read, Nana. Once you done with these 7 questions, then immediately go for this particular topic, responsibility accounting. Another easy chapter to score theory point of view 5 marks very comfortably. Sir, which of the questions I need to read? 5 basic control functions of responsibility accounting, and responsibility center types. These two questions they are asking repeatedly. If they want to change something in related to that, still they want to stick with theory only, they maybe go for prerequisites of responsibility accounting or advantages of responsibility accounting or characteristics of reports of responsibility accounting. These 3 questions they can twist, because 1 and 4 questions they are asking repeatedly now, because every student will read those 2 questions. My concern also, first read those 2 questions, after that read the balance 3 questions. And illustration 1 and 2 from our study material, page number 522. Do these 2 illustrations also. Sir, responsibility accounting, why problematic? Sir, you are not the paper setter. So, based on the trend, we are expecting that theory will be there from responsibility accounting. There is a chance that they may be asked problematic also. Why to take that risk? By doing 2 extra questions, it doesn't make that much time. 2 questions are sounding good also. Yeah. That's the reason go with illustration number 1 and 2 also. First done module 1, then do module number 9. Then go for my advice, divisional performance measurement. Then go for a divisional performance measurement. Sir, because this is, if you understand the past trend also, 2 7 marks questions compulsory they are generating. 1 question is compulsory. Out of 5 attempts, 1 time they went for return on investment and residual income. Remaining 4 times they went with EVA, economic value added concept only. Sir, economic value added point of view, I will tell you 7 steps to solve the problem. If you perform your question in these 7 steps, you can get full out of full marks for EVA. First preference is go with 1 theory question here also, that is 4 perspectives of balance scorecard. And second question, read difficulties with balance scorecard. First read these 2 questions from divisional performance measurement, because I told you 2 7 marks questions they are generating from divisional performance measurement. This divisional performance measurement point of view, 1 major 90% fix is economic value added. Second question is learning curve. This is 60% chance, 40% chance they will go with balance scorecard theory related. If they want to go with the 2 theory questions, possibilities are there based on my experience. 4 perspectives of the balancing scorecard. Second one, what are the difficulties you are facing whenever you are applying balancing scorecard. These 2 theory questions first read. Then go for economic value added concept. My economic value added concept, I told you, apply these 7 steps. First, if capital employed is given in the question or not, first find out. My capital employed calculation point of view, we have 2 approaches with us. One is assets approach, another one liabilities approach. So which approach you are feeling comfortable, go with that. Sometimes based on available information, we need to go for it. While you are calculating a capital employed point of view, all the shares, equity shares, preference shares, security premium, all reserves should be included there. Whether it is a free reserve, whether it is a capital reserve, everything should be included. First, calculate the capital employed. Second one, find out the weight of the debt, find out the weight of equity. This is our second step. Third step, calculate KD and KE. Fourth step is what? Calculation of KD. How to find out KD? If interest rate is given in the question, small I into 1 minus tax rate apply. Sir, they provided interest, they didn't provide the percentage. Find out the percentage. Sir, how to find out the percentage? Interest amount divided by debt into 100, you will get debt. What is the percentage of interest you will get? Then apply small I into 1 minus tax rate. Sir, capital I is indicating about interest amount, small I is about in related to interest rate. So if interest rate was not given, find out the interest rate by using interest amount. Yeah, next KE part. Sometimes they will give you directly KE part. If not, use the CAPM method point of view for calculating the KE. Sir, what is the formula for that? So RF plus beta into RM minus RF. Now sometimes to confuse you, market risk and risk-free rate they will give you separately, but market risk they are not giving. They are going for market premium risk. Premium risk is the difference between RM minus RF. So please read the question carefully. Whether they are giving market risk or market premium risk they are giving, please observe it. Premium risk is nothing but the difference between RM minus RF itself. Got it, ma? So once by using the formula, if you calculated KE, then the next step is calculate the weighted average cost of capital. What is the formula for WACC? KE into weight of equity plus KD into weight of debt. Then you will get weighted average cost of capital. Next, find out NOPAT. So NOPAT point of view, certain situations you need to calculate from. They are giving earnings before interest and tax. Then eliminate the interest part, then eliminate the tax. You will get profit after tax. Further, add back interest after tax. What, sir? For PAT, NOPAT, how to calculate, ma? For your profit after tax plus interest after tax, if you add, you will get NOPAT itself. What is the EVA formula? Final step, NOPAT minus capital employed into weighted average cost of capital. You will find out economic value added itself. This is the way Nana perform your EVA calculation step by step. Even if you commit any mistake also later on, by step point of view, at least the valuer will provide you minimum marks in related to that question point of view. That is my intention in related to that. So I given which of the illustrations you need to do in related to that. I added under that learning curve concept related problems also. Sir, learning curve table when we will use, when we will go for logarithmic. So many people logarithmics given means they will go for logarithmic value. Not like that, ma. Whenever there is a chance of production double, use the table. Sir, what is this table? First 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. Like that you can do. Average time, total time taken, based on that you can do. Whenever you are not producing the goods double, then go with logarithmic point of view. So if logarithmics also good only, if normal part is also good only, because a few times they are going with that one, few times they are going with, but both the questions are easy only. Yeah, and I referred here illustration number with concerned chapter number and illustration number and page number also I indicated. Compulsory do this area, ma. You can secure 14 minimum, maximum of 18 from this particular chapter. There is a possibility of minimum 1 MCQ and maximum 2 MCQs from this particular area, because residual income and return on investment and DuPont analysis point of view, there is more possibility to generate MCQs from this particular area. So this is the area you need to concentrate, divisional performance measurement. Please follow the order, which order I am indicating to you. Please follow the problem in that particular order only. Then it will benefit you. Even time management also will possible to you to spend on all the areas comfortably. First is what, Nana? Module 1, Introduction to Management Accounting. Second is what? Responsibility Accounting, module number 9. Then go for module number 8, Divisional Performance Measurement. After that, go with decision theory. Sir, first if you finish all the easy chapters, then you can spend more time with the balance rest of the topics. Because for us, marginal costing and budgetary control, standard costing, predominantly they are dominated around 60% marks in the examination itself. Especially marginal costing, 28 marks it is covering in the examination. Budgetary you can expect 14 marks, and even you can expect a standard costing 7 or 14 marks itself as an average basis. I will show you the trend analysis in related to that also. And decision theory, first to do past examination 3 questions. Which one? June 2023, December 2023, June 2024 questions once a do. Once you done with the concerned things, go with these illustrations, just more than enough. Illustration number 3, illustration number 5, illustration number 7, illustration number 9, 12, 13, 15. So these areas, 14 question already covered there, ma. Especially among these, 13th question was not covered in the previous exam. Illustration number 3 is not covered in the previous exam. Illustration number 12 is not covered on the previous examinations point of 3, 12, 13. These three questions are not covered under past examination point of view. So high prioritized questions. First to do these questions. Once you done with that, go with the rest of the balance questions what I provided. Because this is another easy chapter, you can score very comfortably in the examination itself. Sir, if you understand right now, 2 theory questions, 2 into 7, 14 marks. And 2 questions you are doing from divisional BPM point of view. Next, decision theory point of view, you are writing 1 question. And the next attacking is ABC. If you understand here, 2 theory questions, 14 marks. 14 marks from DPM point of view, totally 28, and decision making theory point of view, 35, and another 7 marks from our ABC itself. 42 marks you are securing, attempting in the examination other than MCQs here. At least 42 point of view, if you secure 30 marks here, then if you solve 5 MCQs also, you are passing in management accounting itself. That's the point. Sir, still we are not touched the big giants. Their big giants point of view also 7 marks question you can do comfortably. So getting exemption in management accounting is so easy. Don't trust if somebody say management accounting is not possible to get exemption. Don't trust it. If you apply this strategy, if you follow this particular way, definitely you are going to implement the concerned things, get exemption comfortable. But I am sure when compared to cost accounting, management accounting is little tricky to get exemption easily. Cost accounting you can score exemptions comfortably. Management accounting you need to put more efforts in related to that. Once you're done with the decision theory also, immediately go with activity based costing. So from our study material, do illustration number 3, 9, 16, 19 and 20, and if possible go with ICAI study material. Sir, why you are referring CA materials every time you will teach chartered accountancy? That's the reason. No. If you check with the past trend and past examination questions also, they are more focusing CA study material questions they are asking in CMA point of view, because activity based costing we have so many good questions in CA study material, especially practice assignment question number 1 and 3 itself, and illustration number 4 also from ICAI study material chapter number 5 under activity based costing, illustration number 4 that was. So once you done with these questions, once you done with CA Inter study material, then refer your past examination question. You can see the confidence how you will face the past examination questions itself. Got it, ma? So our priority order: first module 1, next module 9, next module 8, next go with module 2 itself, and module 2 and module 10 you can interchange yourself according to your convenience. First finish these 5 modules itself comfortably. You are getting pass mark for sure, including MCQs attempts also. Got it? And the next we need to go with our big giants. First go with budgetary control chapter. So compulsory do Sir, if you understand, majority of the December attempt questions even in the past examination also sounding good. So, sir, why you are taking 2014 December, 2016 December, 17 June and 2019 December means those questions I felt so good. So, sometimes our board taking the past previous attempt related questions also in the current attempt point of view. Majority of the students can't refer beyond 4 or 5 attempts question papers based on availability of time. That's the reason I'm picking certain interesting questions for your practice, so that make you and feel you comfortable with that particular chapter more trusted manner. It will create a confidence in you as well as. So but before doing that, first finish the illustrations under your budgetary control chapter point of illustration 1, illustration 2, illustration 9, illustration 11, illustration number 17 and illustration number 25. First finish these illustrations, then you will get certain confidence. Then attack the past examination questions. Sir, budgetary control point of view without referring the past examination questions, please don't appear for the exam. Please Please adjust your time accordingly. Do compulsory past examination questions of budgetary control chapter, and then read these four theory questions. There is a high prioritized these four theory questions from budgetary control also. Sometimes instead of going for problematic, they can go with 7 marks point of view theory question as well as. Once you done with budgetary control, then go for my standard costing. Sir, just stick with these questions with standard costing. If anything new come, please don't touch it. It will kill your confidence in the examination. Illustration number 46, 45, 41, 36, 35, 34, 33, 25. These areas, if you are able to handle, I am sure you can handle standard costing comfortably. I am not saying that 100% you can appear. I am not able to give you absolute assurance. You know, as you are a auditing student, so I can give you reasonable assurances in related to that. And do these two theory questions as well as standard costing versus budgetary control, and what are the advantages of standard costing also. Read these two theory questions as well as. And these are the past examination questions. So if you understand December attempt questions, I am picking more. It doesn't mean that December I am taking. I find those questions are interesting and very concerned area to test the knowledge of the student and their patience levels as well as. That's the reason I am referring those questions as well as. And then after that, do transfer pricing first before going for marginal costing point of. But transfer pricing, the number of attempts point of, if you check, only one attempt they went for under new syllabus 2022-23 June only they went for transfer pricing. But this attempt I am sure you will see transfer pricing question. So there, first read theory, methods of transfer pricing, illustration number 4, 5, 6, 13, and if possible time permits you, do these two attempts questions, which are the 2019 and 2017 December questions also, please refer it. And then go for marginal costing, do formula based first concepts. Formula based point of view, especially June 25, June 24, June 23, we have formula based. Same model questions they are repeating in the same manner for 7 marks point of view. Please focus on those 7 marks questions first. Sir, why you chosen these many questions under marginal costing? Sir, 28 marks, sir. Yeah, because the weightage is 30 marks including transfer pricing also. That's the reason I chosen 7 marks I am expecting from transfer pricing, and remaining 21 marks you can expect from marginal costing. In this 7 marks question is also compulsory based on formula. Remaining 14 marks you can expect complicated questions in related to marginal costing. So these areas you can find certain complicated questions, and I chosen from the past examination trend based illustration 4, 14, 11, 1 page numbers also clearly indicated. I think so it will help you a lot to crack your examination in related to the concerned subject point of view. Sir, if you do these particular things, definitely I am sure there is no concept of failing in the management accounting subject point of view. Yeah. And at the same time, I will tell you the trend in related to the management accounting point of view. So compulsory, if you see 2A, they are going for first chapter itself. 2B, they are asking from activity based costing. So our interested areas is also, first we will write 2A and 2B then we'll go for 7A and 7B nana, then we'll go for 8A and 8B. 3 questions we are done with right now. So we already attempted for 42 marks in related to this. I am sure at least you can score 30 marks from this particular 42 marks. Whatever the questions I referred there, if you practice that, I am challenging you. Out of 42 compulsory, you can secure 30 marks itself. Sir, and already you know 30 marks MCQs are there. Sir, MCQs what I need to refer? Study material first read, sir. Then go for workbook of ICMA. Then go for past year examination MCQs. Just try to solve these three areas more than enough. First one is study material, second one refer workbook MCQs, third one past year examinations questions. If you do this at least 15 MCQs point of view, I am confident 7 you can score comfortably. 7 into 2, how much, Nana? 14 marks. So already 30 plus 14, you got 44 marks, sir. You already passed in your examination itself. So for exemption, you required only 16 marks. How many marks only you required? 16 marks. So for that, you have the remaining areas. This is the most complicated area in the examination. Don't touch that particular one also. 3A and 5A part don't touch straight away in the examination itself. First do second question completely, seventh question completely, eighth question completely. After you are performing MCQ questions, after you're done with MCQ questions, go with the second question, go with the seventh question, go with eighth question. Finish them. Then go for 4A. Compulsory, this is marginal costing, normal question only they are asking. Then go for 6A and 6B. Yeah, once you done with these questions, then attempt 4B, then attempt 5A, then attempt 3A itself. This is the way approach the exam, Nana. I am sure, I am confident. Now your fear for management accounting will go on. Got it? So stick with these things. And once again, who required the particular sure shot success related PDF, as well as my management accounting marathon also we have that particular one also, you can get the particular PDF as well as Nana. And who required that particular PDF, please ping to this particular number. I will share with you, because the cost accounting also we got so many messages. I shared with everybody who ping us. Got it? I hope so. This particular video makes you creating a lot of confidence in related to management accounting, which areas to first focus, which areas to start your examination, and how to do your preparation part also. I given you a full-fledged idea. So if you like my concerned explanation and you feel really so energetic after listening this particular half an hour with me, please like our concerned video. Please share the concerned video to all your friends. Once again, please subscribe to Tejas classes for CA and CMA itself. Got it, ma? Bye, sir. Have a nice day.